Okay, here's another to us. Actually, it doesn't happen very often, and it is explained in the instructions. But okay, it's your regular hot spring replacement cell, which goes into the tube, the standpipe for the filter. The septor, it will not go in, just partially, but it's made to sit outside the filter. Typically, it's better just to lay it down in between your filters, or you can put it on top. It doesn't really matter as long as it's covered with water. But yes, this does fit every single model of hot spring spa with the ACE sanitizing system. So, just a quick note. Thanks. One more item here. On the filter where the your ACE cell went into, you got this hole, and actually there's a fitting that goes on here to hold the cable. And since our cells don't go inside the filter, you don't need that. So we provide this little plug, comes in, just take the old fitting off and pop that in, and you're good to go. That's all you have to do. And just set your salt cell down at the bottom between the filters or on top. Just make sure they're covered with water, and they'll work just fine.